Morning.
Sorry.
Hey.
We are going for kayaking.
It's a beautiful morning. We're up
Can't
early.
wait.
Lovely.
Bye-bye. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's buy the tickets for kayaking. So the tickets were $60. That's kind of a lot, but that's what it was. It's my first kayaking, so I'm very excited. Yes, so we got the tickets, we're ready for the kayaking, and let's go. Okay, so can we just take a second to appreciate this view? Look at that. The lake is absolutely stunning. It's lovely morning. So now we are walking down to the water. We need to get ready, put our life jackets on. They said we have to wear them the whole time.
Yeah. Sonia.
Sorry. Ready? And of course we need some photos. So I've got my life jacket, paddle, a bottle of water and just enough confidence to fake it till I make it. The plan is simple guys, don't fall in, enjoy the view and try to actually paddle in a straight line, which I've heard is harder than it looks. I've seen people just gliding across the water like pros, and I'm over here hoping I don't flip over in the first 2 minutes. Alright, so apparently kayaking isn't about just splashing the paddle around like crazy. There is a technique, who knew? Keep your core tight, short strokes. I'm getting there, I promise. This view right here, this is why people fall in love with kayaking. You are close to the water, part of the scenery, not just looking at it, it's honestly breathtaking. It's honestly such a vibe. I'm loving it. The reflections on the lake, the sound of the pedals dipping in is just so calming. You kind of forget about everything else for a while. It's funny, I thought I would be nervous out here, but once you are on the water, everything slows down. It's peaceful, grounding, like the lake doesn't care who you are or what kind of day you've had. It just invites you to float for a while. Okay, I'll admit, steering still isn't my strong point, but hey, I haven't tipped over yet, so I'm calling that a win. Luckily, it's a beautiful day, no rain. What I love about this is how peaceful it feels. Even though there is a bit of activity, everyone just out here enjoying the same sunshine, the same fresh air, the same little escape from everything. So yeah, first time kayaking, 10 out of 10 guys, would do again. I didn't fall in, which is a win. My arms are definitely going to feel it tomorrow. And I've got a whole new appreciation for people who make this look effortless. If you never tried kayaking before, seriously, give it a go. It's relaxing, fun, and honestly kind of addictive. Alright, that's it for today's adventure. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment if you ever had a funny first time kayaking story.
I've got a little bit of muscle pain in my shoulders.
Same.
Yeah, and the river's got quite the current on it, but it was beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah, I loved it. You?
Yes, I love it. Maybe do again in the future.
Great. Lovely.
not for a few weeks at least.
Yeah, let's give it a
I'm
break.
tired enough.
Yeah.
That's me.
That looks gorgeous. The colour of it.